Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys a simple hair mask which is very easy to make. For this, you need only one ingredient, which is an onion. First, peel off the outer layers of the onion and chop it into smaller pieces. Now, toss it into a blender and blend it into a smooth paste. Place the pulp in a strainer or a cheesecloth and squeeze out as much juice as possible. This is a very effective hair mask for hair growth. Onion has antibacterial properties and is rich in sulfur. It improves blood circulation and provides the hair follicles with sufficient nourishment. It helps with the formation of keratin in hair, which results in hair growth. Comb your hair gently to make sure there are no tangles. Now take a cotton pad or a cotton ball and dip or soak it into the onion juice and then squeeze the excess. Now press it into the scalp, concentrating on the roots. You don't need to apply this mask throughout your hair, you just have to apply it on the roots of your hair. If you want, you can section your hair and repeat this process to make sure that you cover whole of your head. Now make sure that this doesn't get into your eyes because it will sting a lot. I would like to give a small warning about this mask. Onion has a very strong smell and will sting a lot, but it is worth it. If you are desperate to grow your hair, this mask is for you guys. If you are bothered by the strong smell of the onion, then just add some lemon juice or rose water to your hair rinse. Essential oils can also be used. Rosemary, lavender or peppermint oil all promotes hair growth. Onion's potential as a potent home remedy for hair loss has also been studied scientifically. Studies have proved that consuming onion or applying onion juice to the scalp helps in controlling hair fall and prevents dandruff. Gently massage your scalp to make sure that the onion juice is evenly distributed. Now you can cover the hair with the hair cap and let it sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour and wash it off with lukewarm water, shampoo and condition as normal. You can continue this treatment for 2 to 3 times a week for a month to see visible results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!